His preparation for the bride, the church. Yeah. His preparation of the bride. Said will be shed them. We put them in and beautify them, and then we put them in a room and work on the bride. And we'll see. He is decorating us, ready for the second coming of Christ. It would be Christ in Tina. I think you have missed it. If you came because of me, if you came because of the church, I like maybe the church is just in your vicinity, you walk to, you missed it. The whole truth is, it goes far beyond. I will want to tell you. Oh, yesterday I was in a marriage and a relationship forum. Young people. Oh, many young people. I'm saying, your excitement, you know. And you want I love you, babe. I love you. 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 No. No. You know, actually, no. Oh, please. That one does not last. More kisi and all that kind of thing. Remember 9 years, we be yeah. Remember 9 years, but we be good morning, Grandma. Yeah, good morning, Grandma. I love you, babe. I love you, babe. But my only 3 years. Coco juice. Yeah. So many people are seated here who are offended already in marriage. I'm talking to somebody. When you be Johnny because of no. But as a baby, are you together? Baby, and you together. We've been in a year to meet driver from here, Medina to this place, and they are not talking the whole time in the car. When people are pretending, I can tell.